For those of you listening at home again, hi Rainey. Thanks to your classmates who saved me from spazzing out and just chattering on without you. We're going through a few problems. The worksheets D is for the class due on Monday. This is number 12 on that. Number 9, 10, 11, and 12, they ask you to use a half angle formula. The tangent of a half angle, does anybody have that in their notes? It's a big square root with a plus minus, and you're supposed to choose one. Choose the right one. Yeah.
Is 1 minus cosine A over 1 plus cosine A?
Yeah, 1 minus cosine of A over 1 plus cosine of A. And it completely depends where the angle is, whether you want it to be positive or negative. Okay, people with that? Make sure you keep it in mind. What tells us, other than the instructions, what tells us that this might be a candidate for a half angle? Yeah.
It's not a good angle. It has 0.5 at the end of it.
Yeah, A, it's not common, and B, 0.5 is kind of a dead giveaway that they cut it in half. What was it before they cut it in half? 337.5 degrees is equal to what over 2? Yeah.
675.
675. Now is that a common or uncommon angle? It's way big. Well, that's not good English, sorry. But it is on the unit circle. I'm curious if it's common or uncommon. Yeah, it's common. Now, if you go 360, I might as well mark that. 360, 450, 540, 630, 720. It's in quadrant 4. Does that make sense? How far in? Yeah. All right. So, never mind. Actually, go ahead. 675. Here's 630. How much further in? 45 degrees. This is a multiple of 45. It'll give you the exact same answer as if you had started at 315 degrees. Okay? So 675 degrees. If you ever ask for the sine of 675, actually let's do that. What's the sine of 675 degrees? Yeah.
Negative radical 2 over 2.
Negative radical 2 over 2. That's the only fraction available for multiples of 45, sine and cosine. And Josh, what's cosine of 675 degrees? Yeah. Why is it positive? Yeah, cosine is to the right. And if you notice here, I can rewrite this. The tangent of 337.5 is really 675 over 2. I'm going to rewrite that. Oops, 675 over 2. And I'm just going to follow the formula. It's going to be, we'll decide whether it's plus minus in a minute. 1 minus cosine of 675. 1 plus cosine of 675. Now we need to establish something. Does the radical have a plus in front of it or a minus? I want to know where the real angle is, not the 675. Don't get fooled by that. I just wanted to know where to get these answers. But the real honest to goodness angle is where? What quadrant? It's in quadrant 4. I kind of wish they didn't do that because that's a total coincidence. The half angle is very, very rarely in the same quadrant as the whole angle. But, all right, this is 270, this is 360. All right. And then 337 is somewhere around here. They want the tangent. So, Megan, tangent of 337, right over here, would that tangent be positive or negative? How do you know that's about? It's going downhill. So this is a negative slope, so it has to be a negative tangent, which means we want this, and we throw away the positive. So now let's actually do it. We've got, there it is. fill it in. So we know it's supposed to be negative. Throw away the positive. So it's going to be radical 1, negative radical, sorry. 1 minus, can somebody tell me the cosine of 675 again? Go ahead. Radical 2 over 2. Over what? Got it. And as a favor to you, you do not have to simplify that. This is as far as I need you to go. That's the answer to number 12. For 9, 10, 11, and 12, once you plug the correct answer in, that should be good to go. Does this simplify? Yes, it does. It simplifies quite a bit. You don't really need to worry about that. You'd have to get a common denominator with 2, combine it, same thing on the bottom, multiply by the reciprocal, cancel the 2's, blah, 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 blah. Get a hostage situation. About 10 minutes later, you'll get the simplified answer. Just keep going for now. And on the test, and on the exam. If I do this, you don't have to simplify. Make sense? We're actually out of time. So, your task for Monday, finish off what is not done yet on this worksheet. If you're done, congratulations. If you're not, keep plugging away. And at this point, see you later, Annie. God bless. God speed your health.